Good to go.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions. I separated two groups of fractions, one that are easy to add and subtract and ones that are hard. So let's jump in. So when we talk about a fraction, we don't mean a whole number, but we mean a fraction of a whole number. For example, 1/2, our top number, the main number, is called the numerator. Our bottom number, the denominator, is telling us the size of the fraction. So let's do one easy problem. 1/2 plus 1/2. How are we going to do this? Well, I have a trick that I'm going to show you. When you add fractions or subtract them, the main goal is to make sure the denominator is the same. Then all you have to do is add the numerators or subtract the numerators. Here it's addition, so our denominators are the same, so equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. You write 2 on the top. Since the denominators are the same on both fractions, we just rewrite the denominators. And our answer is 2/2. So now let's do a little harder problem. 1/2 plus 1/4. How are we going to do that? Well, remember the whole trick how the denominators have to be the same? Well, we're going to apply that trick right now. Since 4 cannot go into 2, but 2 can go into 4, we're going to have to convert 1/2 into fourths. So let's now transform 1/2 into fourths. 1/2 times something over something equals something over 4. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so you write 2 here. Whatever is on the bottom here, we write on the top, so 2 over 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and we write 2 here, and our answer is 2/4. So let's rewrite our problem now. Equals, since we converted 1/2 into 2/4, we write 2/4 here. 2/4 plus 1/4. Remember the whole trick how when the denominators are the same, all we really do is just add the numerators? Well, we're going to use that trick again. Equals 2 plus 1, that's 3. We write 3 here. And since the denominators are the same, we just rewrite them. So 4. And our answer is 3/4. Let's try a little harder problem. 1/3 plus 1/4. Because we cannot turn 3 into 4 or 4 into 3, we're going to have to find a number that both numbers can turn into. And I have a trick for finding that number. First, we make a table. Then we list the multiplies of our numbers. Let's start with our first number, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now let's do the multiplies of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, do you notice any number that's the same in both columns? Well, if you haven't noticed, it's 12. 12 is going to be what they call our lowest common denominator. And there's also another way how we can find that number. It's just 3 times 4, and that equals 12. Let's now transform 1/3 and 1/4 into twelfths. So we write 1/3 times something over something equals something over 12. 3 times 4 is 12. We write 4 here. Since 4 is on the bottom, we write 4 on the top too. 1 times 4 is 4. And our answer is 4/12. Now let's transform 1/4. 1/4 times something over something equals something over 12. Here we write 3. 3 is on the bottom, so we write 3 on the top. 1 times 3, that's 3. And the answer is 3/12. So let's finish the problem. Our problem was 1/3 plus 1/4. And we converted 1/3 into 4/12 and converted 1/4 into 3/12. Now let's rewrite the problem. 4/12 plus 3/12. Since the denominators are the same, it's 4 plus 3, that's 7. And the denominators are the same, so we just rewrite them. And our grand answer is 7/12. And for subtraction, it will be the same, except instead of plus sign, it's minus sign, so it will be 4/12 minus 3/12. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time and have a great day.